Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Android phone not receiving calls. You want to follow these troubleshooting steps to fix it. So let's get started. Very first thing, you want to make sure your phone is not on airplane mode or do not disturb. So you can do that, pull down the menu from the top, and then you're going to look for the airplane mode. If you have this icon turned on, you want to go ahead and turn that off. Very important. And then you're going to also see if you have do not disturb here. If I expand it here, and I see that do not disturb is turned on, I need to turn that off as well. Very important, two things which will prevent your calls from coming through. So go ahead and do that as well right here. As you can see here, if it's on, so turn this one off and then the airplane. So with these two settings turned off, you can move on to the next thing, which is just simply making sure in your phone setting here, we're going to click on this icon right here to get to our settings. And once you get to your settings, you want to make sure that your number that trying to call you maybe doesn't happen to be in your blocked numbers accidentally. So you're going to go ahead and remove it if it is, and ensure that that number doesn't exist here in the block list. Now, additionally, you may also see call forwarding here on this phone. I'm not seeing it on my device, but some carriers have call forwarding. If you have call forwarding to another device, you need to turn that off as well, so it doesn't forward your call to another phone and it will not receive on this call. Now, other things to also consider is your network signal up top here. You want to see how much signal you're getting up top on the bar. If you're not getting signal, try to move away to a different location. Something that just helps. You might be in a spot where there's no reception and your calls are not coming through. Additionally, another thing you want to do is if you have a physical SIM card, locate your SIM card tray and just take the SIM card out and just reinsert it back in to reinitialize the SIM card. Here I'm taking a SIM ejector tool. You can take a paper clip or earring as well if you don't have this. And just simply pop out your SIM tray. It might be on the side, top, bottom, or left, depending on the model you have. Mine just happened to be on the bottom. You can take the SIM card out briefly and just put it back in. You don't have to even remove it and such. It just helps when you put it back in, and then you might need to restart your phone. It might ask you to restart, or you can pull down from the top, use the power icon right here to restart, or your volume down and the side button you can hold at the same time and then restart as well. Basically restarting it and basically reinserting the SIM card should help your signal again not have any issues with your cellular connections. Now, if you have done that and you're still having issues, the next thing to do is go up and I'm going to go into my settings. So find your settings app, and then you're going to look for general management, and in the general management you're going to click on reset. And then we're going to do a network reset for mobile settings. So you're going to tap on that and reset that as well. This will not delete any of your data, but important step to do to reset the network on your device. And let's say it's still not working. The next thing to do is go ahead and update your device as well. So in your settings, you're going to go all the way down or look for software update and check for update. And if there's an update, go ahead and update your device. For this, you might need to be connected to Wi-Fi if your cellular isn't working. Sometimes another update might have caused bugs or issues going on, and it's always important to update your phone to the latest version. Now, finally, let's say you did all of this, going through all this step, and it's still not receiving any calls. You might need to just contact your carrier to make sure your account is in good standing. If there's anything they can do, sometimes they have to do a reset on their end and make sure that things are coming through and there is no like filter or something going on that's preventing you from receiving your calls, or maybe your account has any issues they can address as well. And I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.